What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on Ravencoin, which has been pumping up in value over the last 24 hours. As you can see, it is currently up 16% up in value, making it just under 4 cents. So is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what I'm going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high or how low this crypto can go, and obviously covering your questions that you guys have been asking me in my DMs as well. But before I get into all that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just under a percentage in the last 24 hours. However, Ravencoin is up 17%. In the last week, it was up 38%. As you can see, major peak here on the September the 4th, about 2 days ago. Took a little dip and has been pumping ever since. And over the month, it is just about 2% up. We can see major drops here in August. Yes, it's peaked a little bit, but it's been dropping more. And right now, because it's been pumping over the last 2 days, it has managed to gain value 2% in the last 4 weeks. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by 33% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $200 million, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Ravencoin. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention recently, a lot of hype. So we are going to see more and more people investing, and obviously people who want a profit, they may be looking into selling it and potentially reinvesting into the crypto when it drops back down. So let's get straight into it, guys. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So yes, we are looking at the daily chart at the moment, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Ravencoin, which at the moment is 0.03145. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value at 0.03959, just under 4 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So what we're going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself, as I try and avoid short-term trading, because yes, you can get, it's very easy to make money, but it's also very, very risky to lose money as well. So yeah, it works both ways. Anyways, before I go any further, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we do have the blue line and the orange line slightly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. It's not looking too steep, it is just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected over the coming hours. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall increase in value on Ravencoin, potentially going past the 4 cents target, heading towards the 5 cents target is what I'm expecting. But again, that's not for today anyways, it's not over the next few days. But I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value, but I am also expecting dips in between as well. So do expect red candlesticks, do expect green candlesticks. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome, once again, it seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So do expect an overall minimal gain in value over the coming hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? As you can see, the blue line and the orange line is still looking bullish, going towards the positive direction, meaning more gains in value are expected over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, very early next week, we should expect an overall increase in value on Ravencoin, potentially again going towards the 5 cents target is what I'm expecting from Ravencoin over the next couple of days and weeks as well. But again, that does not mean we're going to be hitting green candlesticks every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to to have days when it's red, days when it's green, but the overall outcome, once again, it seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So do expect more increases in value on Ravencoin. The keyword here is minimal increases, guys. I'm not expecting a major bull run or a major price pump or anything like that as of yet from Ravencoin. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we're looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, a little bit steeper than the previous two charts. So again, more increases in value are expected over the coming week. So mid-October to late October, we should be way above the 5 cents target, potentially heading to about 7 cents to 8 cents is what I'm expecting. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs in general, guys. Obviously, if Bitcoin drops to 10-15k, goes for a major drop, then we are going to see most cryptos dropping in value as well, including Ravencoin. However, if Bitcoin decides to pump up to about 30-35k or even 40k over the coming months, then we are going to see a major increases on the whole crypto market, and potentially Ravencoin should be able to easily hit the 10 cents target. But anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis on the daily chart. As you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone, which is not looking too great. We have been trading in the red zone since about very early 2022. So since January, we've been, yes, there's been times where we just about hit the green zone and then drop back down. But overall, we've been getting worse and worse and worse over the months. But we are slowly and steadily starting to move up in a positive direction. So for us to hit the green zone or hit the resistance target, we need to hit 8 cents in target, which is just about double its value than it's worth at the moment. So 100% increase is what we should expect for it to hit the green zone. However, I'm not expecting Ravencoin to hit the green zone anytime soon. Potentially by mid to late October is when I'm expecting it to hit the resistance target. Hopefully we should be able to hit that over the next 6 to 7 weeks, depending on how the crypto market performs. But as long as we go in the opposite direction, that's all that matters, guys. Let me know what your predictions are. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around Ravencoin in my previous video and in my DMs as well. So let me know what is the highest or lowest figure Ravencoin can hit in 2022, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And also, guys, if there are any cryptos that you guys want me to focus on this channel that I haven't covered before and want me to do predictions on, don't worry, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to get that done for you guys. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.